Hey, I'm Joe and I have this question for you. Does your kids like avocado? If your answer is not, then my answer is they haven't tried my avocado cream yet. Let me reveal some delicious recipe with avocado. For this you need 2 avocados, the juice from half of a lemon, garlic, 2 spoons of olive oil and 2 spoons of tomato juice. I'll start by smashing the avocado. I'll cut and smash the garlic and add it to the avocado. I'll add the lemon juice. I'll continue with the 2 spoons of olive oil, the tomato juice, and I'll mix everything. If only by seeing the ingredients you are not convinced that this avocado cream is absolutely delicious, I dare you to try it at home and get back to me with your feedback. Meantime, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notifications, and we'll keep in touch. Bye!